just power mode 1. It's already really fucking quick. But since it's only got 5% battery on the GoPro, buddy, I'm gonna show you. Here's third gear. Really fucking fast. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit, brother. Holy fucking shit, dude. That's gotta be wrong. This feels way faster than fucking 20. Oh my god. Holy fuck. You see those black marks? That's third gear just smashing the throttle. It spun out on me and just blew the tire off. Watch. Oh, oh my god, dude. That's insane. Just thought I'd give you a quick video, buddy.